Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on music playback control on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Realme Link app, so open the app on your phone and on the homepage of the app tap your watch's name under My Devices. Tap More Functions from the options. Then turn on the toggle to the right of Music Playback Control. When the toggle is on, it will be blue. Music Playback Control is now turned on your Realme Watch 2. You can now control your phone's music with your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.